so much homework. Hey guys, hey. Did you finish your homework? Yeah, you did? You're so awesome. How did you do that? I'm gonna go and finish mine. Two. What's going on, Mirabel? What is this? Two. What? Hi, Isabella. What's going on? Where are you going? Well, I am so happy because we're gonna go and see the Troll movie. Oh, we are? I have a lot of homework. Well, not today. It's not out yet, but yes, we are. And I was just watching some trolls and look at me dancing like Poppy. Two. Other than your hair, nothing looks like Poppy. Oh yeah, my hair is kind of crazy, but it always is. Yeah, your hair is always crazy. Yes it is. I'm sorry, I don't know what to do with this hair. It's okay, you're pretty anyway. Oh, wait a minute, don't leave. I have a surprise for you. Oh, surprises before homework. Sounds good. Okay, I'll wait right here. Wonder what she has in mind. Probably nothing interesting. Wait a minute, what is this? You see, I told you. Oh, you scare me. Oh yes, this is a playset from the Band Together, I think, right? This is the old movie. Yeah, this is the older movie, but it's so much fun. It has hair pops. Oh, I can put one of those in my hair, and mine too. Oh, guys, let's see what this is about. I am so excited. This playset comes with 32 surprises and one character, and of course it's Poppy. And there are 6 play zones. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And she can perform something for us. Are you guys ready to unbox this amazing toy with me? Yes? 1, 2, 3. And look at this, guys. This is the playset. But now, guys, we have a lot of accessories to put away. We have to see how we can arrange Poppy's playset. And look at all of this. So let's start with her going down the slide so she can cheer up. Hi, Poppy. You are so cute. Choo. Here she goes. Whee! Whoa, she loves the slide. Do you want to go one more time? Whee! There she is. She is awesome. Let's see if we can fix her hair a little bit, right? Look at this. Oh, let's pick a hair pop and just place it over here. And look how pretty she looks now. I think she looks amazing with purple, but let's try a different color. Let's try green. By the way, guys, you can remove the hair pop by just moving her ears down, and then it just pops right out. There we are. Now let's place the green one and see how she looks with green. And just like that, ooh, she looks so cute. Yeah, I love it. And now if you want to remove it, just move her ears and it will pop right out. Awesome. Now, guys, let's fix her playset because it's a mess. Oh, this is not good. Oh, dance. I love to dance. Poppy, you can't dance. Oh, I can't? Why? Look at this big mess. You need to arrange your playset. Oh, of course I will. All right, give me a second. All right, you ready? Here we go. Whee! Oh, wait a minute, this didn't pop. Let's see. Let's try it again. Whee! Whoa, what happened to you, buddy? Let's try it again, guys. Whee! Wow, that was awesome. Poppy, you need to clean your playset. This is a mess. Oh, yes, it is. All right, I'm on it. I promise. And maybe I just go down the slide one more time before I clean up. Whee! Whoa, maybe one more time. Whee! Whoa, maybe one more time. Whee! Yay! Poppy, now I'm serious. Clean up this big mess. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. I will. Right now. Alright, guys, so it looks like Poppy does not want to clean her playset, so let's help her out. So let's start with these hair pops and put them away. So I got the purple one. Hey, by the way, guys, this is a storage, so you can open it and put something inside. You can put the jewelries in here, pop them in and then just pop them on Poppy, just like that. And she has some amazing beautiful hair and a piece of jewelry just in her hair. And just to release it, you click the ears and you pull it right out. So first, let's put these hair pops away. We're just gonna put one here, the other one right here, and the other one right here. And no more playing with them, Poppy. Okay. I'll be a good girl. All right. And then we have another one. So let's put it right here. Excellent. So that's out of the way. Now let's set her kitchen area, which is right here. This is amazing, guys, because it has a little bit more storage right in here. So after you're done playing, you can put all your toys in here and just click it and everything stays in there. So for her kitchen area, she needs her 2 bottles and she has some french fries. So let's put them up here, very tiny. And 2 and 3. Awesome. Now right here on the bottom, she just needs the pitcher. So we're gonna put it down here, just like that. And now let's move on to her stage. Right here, we have some instruments that we have to place. And here they are. We have a guitar, we have another guitar, we have a microphone and 2 speakers. Beautiful. So let's get going. So the microphone goes right in the middle, just like that. And then we're gonna put the instruments right in here. And 1 and 2. All right, and the speakers go right here and here. And these are amazing because you can put the hair pops right in them, just like that. How cool is that? So cute. So we're gonna put it right here. Excellent. And now let's move into her studio, and now we're gonna put her special chair. Look how cool is this. Wow, do you love it, Poppy? Oh, I love my chair. Yes, she does. She looks so comfy, guys. So now let's see what else. We have a brush. We're gonna put it right in here. Then we have a blow dryer. So we're gonna put it right here. Then guys, we have a bunch of little tiny accessories. So we can put her dress on a hanger, just like this. I'm also gonna try to put her perfumes up here. Very, very tiny. So make sure that you put them all together. Her shoes, they're pretty big. So I don't know, maybe we'll put them down here. And another outfit for Poppy, maybe we'll put it up here. And remember guys, we can also put all the stuff up here in this amazing storage area. So I'm just gonna put the rest right here. All right, Poppy, I think you're ready for your show. Wait, I need to change first. Oh, of course. All right, let's put her dress on. She wants to wear her pink dress. So let's take this dress off. Very easy to do. And we're gonna put her pink dress on. How cute is this? Yay! All right. Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if we can change her bow as well. I am not sure. What do you guys think? Very good. Look at this. She's wearing this beautiful dress. She's very tiny. All right. Hey, wait. My shoes don't match. Okay. And I need a necklace. All right. Here's your necklace. All right. So let's put her other shoes on. Oh, again, they're so tiny. So cute. Oh, so cute, Poppy. Oh, look at this, guys. And now let's put her blue boots on. There we are. Actually, they're kind of like booty sandals. Very, very cute. I think she's ready. All right, I'm almost ready. Okay. All right. Are you ready? No. I need my hair pop first. Which color would you like? Green, please. All right, green. Wait. All right, puppy, here's your green hair, Pop. No, wait a minute. I need some perfume. Oh, where's the perfume, Poppy? It's in my hair, Pop. Oh, okay, guys, let's get the perfume out. All right, here you are. Psst, psst, psst. All right, now you smell delicious too, and you have beautiful hair and a beautiful outfit, and there you are. You're ready to perform. Hey, where's my microphone? All right, I'll get it. 1 second. All right, puppy, here's your microphone. Oh, yay. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Much love. Bye-bye.